If you're looking to brighten your complexion, reduce dark spots, and combat fine lines, a vitamin C serum is an essential part of your skincare routine. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 best vitamin C serums for your face, featuring products from trusted brands like Roche-Posay, The Ordinary, Drunk Elephant, Paula's Choice, and Obagi. These serums are packed with powerful antioxidants to give your skin that healthy glow. Let's dive into each product and help you find the perfect vitamin C serum for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, La Roche-Posay. La Roche-Posay's Pure Vitamin C Face Serum is a leading serum designed to combat skin aging and pigmentation. Known for its high-potency vitamin C, this formula works to brighten the skin and smooth out fine lines, leaving a youthful, radiant complexion. Key features: the serum contains 10% pure vitamin C, ascorbic acid, along with salicylic acid to gently exfoliate and improve skin texture. It's also formulated with neurosensine, a soothing agent that calms the skin and reduces irritation. The fragrance-free and paraben-free formula ensures it's suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this serum brightens and firms the skin, improving overall texture and reducing visible wrinkles. Its antioxidant properties also help protect the skin from environmental damage. Apply it in the morning to clean skin, followed by sunscreen to enhance its protective benefits. Usability: the lightweight, non-greasy texture absorbs easily into the skin without leaving any sticky residue. It's designed for daily use, making it easy to incorporate into your morning routine. Its gentle formula is perfect for those with sensitive skin. Durability: each 30 ml bottle lasts approximately 1 to 2 months, depending on how often it's used. The airtight packaging preserves the vitamin C potency, ensuring freshness throughout its use. In the second spot, we have The Ordinary. The Ordinary is known for offering high-quality skincare at affordable prices, and their vitamin C suspension 23% plus HA Spheres 2% is no exception. This potent serum combines a high concentration of vitamin C with hyaluronic acid to provide brightening effects and intense hydration. Key features: the 23% concentration of vitamin C is one of the highest available, making this serum a powerful treatment for skin discoloration and signs of aging. The addition of hyaluronic acid helps to hydrate and plump the skin, ensuring it stays moisturized throughout the day. The serum is free from alcohol, gluten, and parabens. Benefits and usage: the high vitamin C concentration targets dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and fine lines, resulting in brighter and smoother skin. The hyaluronic acid helps lock in moisture, ensuring that the skin remains hydrated while treating signs of aging. Apply a pea-sized amount to the face once or twice a day, depending on your skin's tolerance. Usability: despite the high concentration of vitamin C, the serum is surprisingly gentle on the skin. However, some may experience a tingling sensation due to its potency, which is normal. It's recommended to use it in the evening, followed by sunscreen in the morning. Durability: with consistent use, a 30 ml bottle can last for 2 to 3 months. The packaging helps protect the serum from light and air, which helps preserve the vitamin C's effectiveness. Coming in at number 3 is the Drunk Elephant. Drunk Elephant Serum a Day Serum is a beloved vitamin C serum that provides a luxurious, high-performance treatment for brightening and firming the skin. This serum is ideal for those looking for a potent yet gentle vitamin C formula that works on all skin types. Key features: this serum contains 15% vitamin C, ascorbic acid, in its stable formulation, along with ferulic acid and vitamin E, 2 powerful antioxidants that enhance the serum's effectiveness. It also includes pumpkin ferment extract, which exfoliates the skin and promotes cell turnover, leaving it smooth and even-toned. Benefits and usage: the Drunk Elephant Serum a Day Serum targets fine lines, wrinkles, and discoloration, improving skin texture and tone. It also protects the skin from environmental stressors with its antioxidant-rich ingredients. For optimal results, apply it in the morning after cleansing and before sunscreen. Usability: the lightweight texture of this serum absorbs quickly and doesn't leave an oily residue, making it perfect for all skin types. It's best used as a part of your morning routine to give your skin a fresh, glowing appearance throughout the day. Durability: a 30 ml bottle typically lasts for 1 to 2 months, depending on daily usage. The bottle is designed with a pump dispenser, which helps protect the serum from air exposure and ensures accurate application each time. Taking our fourth spot is Paula's Choice. Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster is a highly effective vitamin C serum that combines a powerful concentration of vitamin C with other skin-loving ingredients. This lightweight booster is ideal for people looking for a serum that addresses multiple skin concerns, including pigmentation, fine lines, and skin texture. Key features: the C15 Super Booster contains 15% pure vitamin C, along with vitamin E and ferulic acid, which enhance its potency. The lightweight formula is free from parabens, fragrance, and dyes, making it safe for sensitive skin. The serum is also rich in antioxidants, which help defend the skin against environmental damage. Benefits and usage: the serum improves skin texture, brightens dark spots, and reduces fine lines over time. Apply 3 to 5 drops to the face after cleansing and before moisturizing. It can be used in the morning or at night, though daily use is recommended for best results. Usability: the serum absorbs quickly into the skin and leaves a smooth, non-greasy finish. It's compatible with other skincare products and can be easily layered under your sunscreen or makeup. Durability: the 20 ml bottle typically lasts for about 1 to 2 months, making it a great value for the price. The dropper bottle helps dispense the serum accurately and ensures the product remains hygienic throughout its use. And finally, at number 5, we have Obagi. Obagi Professional C Serum 20% is a high-performance vitamin C serum designed for those who want to tackle advanced signs of aging and hyperpigmentation. With a potent concentration of vitamin C, this serum is targeted toward improving skin firmness, texture, and overall radiance. Key features: the 20% concentration of vitamin C in Obagi serum is designed to deliver immediate brightening results. It also includes an antioxidant blend of vitamin E and ferulic acid to enhance the serum's potency and provide further protection against environmental damage. Benefits and usage: the serum helps brighten the skin, improve texture, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's ideal for those with mature skin looking to address multiple concerns like uneven skin tone and loss of firmness. Apply a few drops to the face in the morning after cleansing and follow with sunscreen. Usability: the smooth serum absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. It's suitable for all skin types, though those with sensitive skin should patch test due to the high vitamin C concentration. Durability: a 30 ml bottle of Obagi Professional C Serum typically lasts for 1 to 2 months, and the packaging protects the serum from light and air exposure, helping maintain its effectiveness over time. That wraps up our review of the top 5 best vitamin C serums for your face. Whether you choose the gentle yet potent La Roche-Posay serum or the high-strength Obagi Professional C Serum, these products are packed with powerful antioxidants to brighten your skin and improve its texture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.